All right, so I just got an FX airgun in, and this is my first time ever putting an airgun together, so that's why I have Mr. Keith Baker here to help me set it up.
And it's gonna be my second time putting an air rifle together, and I think I can do it pretty good. So we're gonna wanna align these screw holes before we tighten it up on the side. That'll be the last part to the process.
Got it. So now we need Loctite?
Need blue Loctite?
We're gonna go with this is blue Loctite, even though it's not labeled.
After you do the first one, I always go back through and just touch them again. You're not necessarily tightening them up, you're just making sure they haven't changed. Typically, what I do at this point is I play with my regulator to get it adjusted to the pressure I want. Some of the stuff you can do now is you can start your load development without it being in the rifle. All right, well, let's finish assembly. Especially on like centerfire rifles, we have recoil lug, where people don't have the recoil lug seated against the action. So by standing up in the air, the weight of the rifle drops in. We have our cylinder pressure gauge here because the air cylinder's in the barrel, and there's a sleeve outside the barrel, which makes this look like it has a big barrel, but really it's a pressure tank.
This is the Mark IV, the 6x24 with the PR2 reticle.
The loophole Mark IV.
It's brand new.
You know what I really like about the Mark IV is how distinct the clicks are.
Yeah?
Like and the zero lock.
I really like the lock.
Return to zero.
Yeah, on both now, the windage and the top.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, pretty snazzy scope, wasn't it?
Legit. Now let's go ahead and see where that fits and where you like it, and we'll see if we can mark that. The length of pull is the distance from the butt pad to the trigger, okay? In the olden days, we used to say length of pull, as a rule of thumb, was from the crotch of your elbow to a 90-degree trigger.
All right, so we got it all put together thanks to Keith, and now we're gonna take it outside and we're gonna zero it and see how far we can shoot.
Put some air in it, put some pellets in it, and lob them babies.